it just affordability? What are some of the other elements that you can identify?
Well, for me, affordability is obviously one thing, and that was quite prominent. But for me, like the previous generations, the Gen X and the baby boomers, they had that chance that where things were a bit more affordable and land values weren't as high, that they could go out and
microphones.
Here we go. So they sort of were jumping straight into the housing market very early on, and I think with the way things are now and the generational shift, Gen Y is taking a lot longer to get into their first home, and they're sort of desiring a lot more out of that first home than perhaps previous generations did. So for Sal and I, we looked at the fact that we want the same things that our parents had and perhaps their parents before them had in the house. We just want them reinterpreted in a different way. So.
Okay, maybe this is a good point for you guys on the far right, separated there. What are those things that are different, the aspirations, the ambitions of this generation that Mitch has already alluded to? What do you think?
I don't know if they're that different from Gen X per se, but I just think there are so few options generally on the market. You can either live on a tiny block in a city or get an apartment in the city, or it's moving out to the burbs for a project design home, which is sort of all you can afford really. So yeah, there's definitely, I think they just want the same things that we as Gen X wanted, but probably more, I don't know, that individuality, that need to express your individuality, which you can't really do with the housing, the project home market.
Yeah.
It's so mass produced.
So the judge's decision was unanimous, and we went into this thinking we would award a winner, but we decided during the review that we would in fact also announce a special commendation. So before I announce the overall winner, the special commendation, and I'm told there's a drum roll, but I don't know I'm going to get it. We got a drum roll? Oh, that's it. Drum roll. So the special commendation goes to the designers. You can see we've rehearsed this down to a second. So the special commendation goes to the designers of the Gap House, Lisa McGann, Greg James, Jenny Starr, Okay, now to the winner. The judges believe clearly that the overall winner of the Gen Y design competition can in fact be an effective standalone, probably commercial proposition which could be replicated in other areas of the West Australian housing market. It allows for 6 adults or 3 couples to be accommodated on the site, with living spaces clearly clearly delineated, and with an overall proposal that was robust, well considered and easily deliverable. Drum roll. It's a good drum. You've got to give it that. So the winner is the architect of the Step House, David Barr.
I think it was a smart way of just approaching it as like producing a shell that can therefore have its own stamp on it and be sort of extrapolated the way that the user actually wants it to go. So actually just providing that sort of freestanding sort of module that anyone can sort of make their own is quite an impressive sort of spectacle to sort of put out into the market.
That's some really amazing components, and it was. We spent hours picking the winner, but it was a really deserving winner as well.
Yeah, so I can't wait to see the winning design to be built.
Well, that's right. In fact, one of the really good things about the winning one was that it can be built and will be built on that site.
That makes it very, very real. Look, full credit to LandCorp for the whole initiative.
Yeah.
I'm really pleased that LandCorp's been able to be associated with this function tonight. The energy in the room has been very high and the standard of competition has been extraordinary. So it's a terrific event to be involved with. And congratulations to David as well on winning the award.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I mean, for me it was a genuine surprise. It's such a great series of projects that people have done, so I encourage everyone to pursue their work and hopefully we can create a strong project together moving forward.